On September 21st, 2025, one of nature's most spectacular shows is coming to our skies, and if you're in the right place at the right time, you'll witness something that won't happen again in your region for decades. But here's the thing most people don't realize about this eclipse. It's not just any ordinary celestial event. This is a deep partial solar eclipse, meaning up to 93% of the sun will be blocked by the moon in some location. That's almost total darkness in the middle of the day. Stop scrolling for a second and think about this. When was the last time you actually looked up at the sky during the day and saw something that made you question reality? Well, September 21st could be that day for you. So where exactly will this cosmic show be visible? The eclipse path sweeps dramatically across the South Pacific, with New Zealand getting front-row seats to this astronomical theater. Parts of Antarctica will also experience this phenomenon, though let's be honest, most of us won't be camping there. But here's what's really fascinating, and this might surprise you. This eclipse is specifically happening during the spring equinox in the southern hemisphere. The timing couldn't be more perfect for our friends down under. Now, before you book your flight to Auckland, let me tell you exactly what you need to know. For viewers in New Zealand, the eclipse begins in the morning hours and reaches maximum coverage around midday. The exact timing varies by location, but Auckland will see approximately 90% coverage, while Wellington experiences about 85% of the sun being blocked. Here's the crucial part that most eclipse guides won't tell you. You absolutely cannot look directly at the eclipse without proper solar filters. Even when 90% of the sun is covered, that remaining 10% can cause permanent eye damage in seconds. You need ISO 12312 to 2 certified eclipse glasses, or you can use indirect viewing methods like a pinhole projector. But wait, there's more you need to know about timing. The eclipse doesn't just happen instantly. It's a gradual process taking several hours from start to finish. First contact begins around 10 a.m. local time in most New Zealand locations, with maximum eclipse occurring near noon and the show wrapping up by 2 p.m. Here's why this eclipse is particularly special. It's the deepest partial solar eclipse visible from populated areas until the next major eclipse cycle. After September 21st, 2025, New Zealand won't see another eclipse of this magnitude for many years. So what should you do right now? If you're not in New Zealand or the South Pacific region, this is your reminder that eclipse tourism is a real thing, and this event is worth the trip. And here's something most people miss. Even if you can't travel to see this eclipse, you can still be part of the experience. Numerous organizations will be live streaming the event, and the scientific data collected during this eclipse will contribute to our understanding of solar physics. The universe is putting on a show on September 21st, 2025. The question is, will you be watching? Don't let this once-in-a-decade opportunity pass by while you're stuck indoors scrolling through social media. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos about the universe.